phenomenal.
It is magical.
It's doable for everyone.
Very excellent.
You will find most of your answers here. It's been a great time here since morning.
It's been absolutely amazing.
Instantly, I can see the shift in my energy and vibrations.
I'm so intrigued by the science. The scenarios which doctor has given, we could relate to it.
The experience has been great.
She's shared like various tools, meditations that we can use. It really makes it easy to follow those techniques and practice.
I really didn't want to miss this opportunity to come here and actually experience her vibrations in person.
It's been a wonderful day of learning, sharing, and there's so much that actually happened in this workshop. We could feel the energy of the people change. We could feel the spark in their eyes, and we could also feel their energy opening up. For me, it's been an amazing journey with them from the start up to the end.